In this video, I want to give a mega shout out to Oppo because Oppo updated not only their Find X8 Ultra to the latest version of ColorOS, featuring all the new cool features, but also the Find X7 Ultra, which is an older device, now basically got a super long changelog of changes for ColorOS. So the latest ColorOS version is also coming here, including several new features. So let's check a few of them out. So let's check out some of the new features here in the changelog. New less doing, more seeing, new Trinity, luminous rendering engine, Trinity engine, and so on. So everything is super smooth and we have the same fluidity and smoothness as we had with the Find X9 Ultra here. Yeah, this is now static. I also don't like it, but this is what it is also on the Find X9 Ultra. So they are like getting there to unify it. Running out of battery a little bit. This is why it's getting maybe a little bit slower here. But in general, we have this very new, very nice rendering engine with new animations, updates with the possibility to go for the live updates here. So if I start a stopwatch, you see it running here. It's very, very smooth here indeed. And we have the abilities to like swipe this away and swipe it back again. Such things are available here right now, which is very, very cool. So yeah, this is a very nice new update that allows you to do lots of new things. Brino memory AI updates, because it's a Chinese version here. We got a few of those AI updates there as well. But what I am more interested is not so much those AI updates, even though I like it. Live space I showed you right now. Flux home screen, yes, of course, we have this new themes and so on. This is like nothing new. We have the possibility to organize all our icons a little bit better. This is also nothing completely new or groundbreaking. But what I really like is the camera update, because we now get the same camera UI that we have, the optimized camera UI that we have on the Find X9 Ultra, with this possibility to swipe up. One-handed usage is so much easier here when taking photos, and I want to change the aspect ratio real quick to, I don't know, 16:9 or back to 4:3, or want to go turn on soft light here if I need it. Or go into action mode if I need it. So these are possibilities here. But not only that, we have also the master mode that has the ability now to see the various different settings here of filters that you can also preset and save, which is very cool. And even Pro Video mode is here now, even though we don't get all the features. For example, log recording is not there. 4K 30 frames per second is the maximum that you can do here, as it seems like. You can turn on stabilization as well. So yeah, the hardware limitations are still there for certain things, but yeah, at least we get a Pro Video mode here, which is quite cool. This is the Find X7 Ultra right now that got this update, but we have another device. So here we have the Find X8 Ultra, and it also got this update just now. And I agree to everything, and you see we have the brand new ColorOS. This is the animations. Just wanted to show you how well this looks like with the whole user experience. We also get this new Trinity engine, this new desktop effects, everything basically the same. We also get the new camera application here with the swipe up feature here, which is very cool for one-handed usage. And we have a Pro mode, and this Pro mode here also has log support. So yes, we have the ability to run this through log as well. But in comparison to what we have here on the Find X9 Ultra that is recording right now, I don't have the ability to choose the LUTs. I can download a LUT here. It will give me gladly the option to download the LUT, and I have the possibility to just simply, let's translate this here, quickly download the LUT for the Oppo device. So I have the ability to just download the LUT here, to download log2 LUT compression pack and recommended processing process and blah, 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 blah. I have the possibility to download the olog2 and olog1 LUTs for this one if I need to, and have the ability to then work with it. But I have no option to change or set the LUT immediately here in the camera application. So this is something that is a bit of a difference and unique feature of the Find X9 Ultra still. With the Find X9 Ultra I can directly record with a specific LUT, which is not possible here. But everything else is pretty much identical there with the Find X9 Ultra, which is pretty cool. So even the master mode here again has all those nice filters here that I can save and even share with others if I need to. And of course we have the normal log mode, recording mode in video here with all the options here, including 4K 120 frames per second. So these options are still available here. So very nice that they tweaked this, and the Find X8 Ultra basically gets the same software performance tweaks as we have on the Find X9 Ultra, which is super, super cool. So everything runs super, super fluid and super fast and without any issues. We can check out the changelog here as well, which is basically the identical changelog that we have on the Find X7 Ultra. Nothing much has changed here in regards to this. So let's do more, blah blah blah, silky smooth, Trinity engine, the AI stuff that is here, and live space is here, flux home screen is there, network optimizations are there, the camera optimizations there, you see it. So it is the same changelog there, and I'm pretty happy that we have those here. Let's check out the video actually on the Find X8 Ultra and see if the log recording, by the way I'm doing this here on the Find X9 Ultra, gives us the same results as the Find X9 Ultra. First recording now with the Find X9 Ultra in Pro Video mode, OLog 2 log recording with direct conversion in camera to Rec 709. What do you think about the quality here? I'm now recording with the Find X8 Ultra with its OLog 2 recording with Pro Video mode. How good and well is this doing, especially when I also use the Rec 709 LUT that I apply later in post. In general, mega kudos to Oppo's developers that are still supporting the Find X7 Ultra with new updates, and this is a good update that's really boosting this device to actually being one generation later, at least one generation later, like the Find X8 Ultra, which is getting a boost also one generation up, so everything keeps at the same level. Anyway, I really like it, and if you run an older Oppo device like the Find X7 Ultra or the Find X8 Ultra, get this new update because it's really, really rocking. Currently it's available under the trial update beta program as release candidate, so you have to check it out there because the normal update will not give it to you right now, but it should arrive in 1 or 2 months as well, or a few weeks, as well as a normal update. But I can highly recommend to install it right now because I didn't have any issues with it, no battery life issues, no overheating issues or any other software bugs that I encountered. So I can highly recommend to update to the latest ColorOS on the Find X7 Ultra and the Find X8 Ultra to get the new camera UI and its features.